we'll guide you through how to go live on Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and make sure you have the latest version installed. Once you're in, head over to the settings by clicking the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the Streamlabs interface. In the Settings menu, go to the Stream tab. Here, you need to select your streaming service like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. You'll either need to connect your account directly by logging in or use a stream key provided by your platform. For most users, logging in directly simplifies the process. Now, save your settings and return to the main Streamlabs screen. To add your video source, click on the plus sign in the Sources box. Choose Video Capture Device to add your webcam or select Display Capture if you want to share your screen. Configure these settings according to your preference. Make sure your microphone is set up correctly by clicking on the Mixer tab and checking the audio levels. You want to ensure your audio is not too loud or too quiet. Once everything is set up, look for the Go Live button on the bottom right of the main screen. Before you click it, double-check your internet connection for stability, as a strong connection is crucial for a smooth streaming experience. Now, click Go Live and Streamlabs will start broadcasting to your selected platform. You can monitor your stream health and chat with viewers directly from the Streamlabs interface, which makes it convenient to interact with your audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.